cordless. Cutting the cord is the way to go. You know, sticking with the Dewalt system, right? Just always use compressor nailers and stuff like that. Again, the compressors are heavy. You have to find enough power to run them. Like I said, we're cutting the cord. Then I had a pass load nailers that took the gas cartridge and that took a battery, okay? A package of those 4 cells, the gas cells, cost about $50. Yeah, they last, they're great, that's fine. And then you still had to recharge the battery. With their new brushless nailers, right? All you need is the battery. That's it. So no gas. So on top of cutting the cord right now, it's just battery, and it's great. Has a depth function, as you can see there. It comes with bits for the front, and that's it. Depth adjustment. You can load from 1 inch to 2 inch nails that we use a lot on the 18 gauge nailer, and that's it. It's great. Even has a light indicator that the battery's still good. The light will flash when the battery's dying, and that's it. We have the 18 gauge for lighter carpentry. My 16 gauge that I use, it's great. This one uses angle nails. That's your depth adjustment. Again, the same battery indicator with the light, so that's saying that it's charged. And then you can do 2 modes. You can do just, you know, 1 nail at a time, or you can do sequential. Sequential, you flip that switch. That means you keep your hand on the trigger and you just keep banging away. I don't use that because you don't have to. I'm okay with pulling the trigger. But again, great cordless. Cutting the cord is the way to go. This is why we're sticking to Dewalt. To replace them, it doesn't cost as much. So far, we're happy. I've had these nailers for a couple years now. Another thing why we're sticking with Dewalt, we have our cases, right? It's wonderful. Take a look. I have everything labeled. It all holds all my nails. So this is my finished carpentry kit. Hole saws, just in case. A bunch of Allen keys and stuff like that for certain types of lock sets. I have my 16 gauge nails, 18 gauge nails. Then I keep something for spare parts. And I love these cases. You can put 2 cases together. Take a look. This is my wood screw kit. I'm labeled. Number 10's 3 inch, 2.5, 8 inch Tapcons. These things, they both snap together like so. Metal clasps, which are nice. You can see through the top. Once they're attached, you can carry like so, and you're ready to go to the job. Another thing, why I bought these from Dewalt. I bought these from Dewalt because Home Depot has a pair of 2 on $59. That's how I started buying these, and they're great. Okay, so I'm a big fan of Dewalt. What can I say? So far, it's proven. These things are the greatest things ever. No cord. Like I said, if I was installing this door and I had my cord, you know, and I was setting the door, I'd have to put the cord underneath, and the cord's exactly half. The door would rub on the bottom. I would be like pulling my hair and always play with the cord. So now with the cordless, I don't have to worry about cords. I'm in, I'm out, I'm running, I'm nailing, it's getting done. If you understand that. And the pass loads, they were great. I love them. That's what started putting us on the track of cutting the cord. But the gas cells cost a fortune for the pass load. And then in the winter time, if the gas cylinders were cold, it was horrible. You would have to warm them up on a heater or put them in your pocket, go to sleep with them. I don't know. You know, in the wintertime. We live in Canada, so you know the way it is in Canada, it's cold. Yeah, the gas cylinders, if they were cold, they wouldn't fire. The guns wouldn't fire. You'd have to warm them up. So we got rid of that system. The last time one of the guns needed any work for service, that was it. I got rid of it. I didn't service it. Another thing that I love from them is their cordless Jobsite light. Again, you're in a closet doing trim, right? Or like in our jobs, we always have the electrician, you know, wiring lights and stuff like that. And this one we didn't, but let's say for an example, in a closet, you're trimming it up. It's dark. Can you see? No, you can't. Okay, so this was the first light I've seen on the market. LEDs, you just flick this, shuts off, flick it, turn it on. It can lay flat like so. You can angle the light. You can have it stand up like so. You're in the closet. You don't have to worry about the extension cord, nothing. This is great. We use these lights for this whole job. The taping to the tile, to the trim, to the baseboard. We use them with all our Dewalt batteries. We don't have issues because almost every kit came with a battery. Every kit came with maybe 2 batteries or a charger. And that's it. Cordless. The most wonderful thing ever. And that's why I say stick with Dewalt, because I think they're the majority. The batteries fit. The majority of all the Dewalt tools, they have a bigger selection. So it's whatever you need. They're the first ones to make a saw like this. The next purchase I'm gonna make is gonna be the big boy. The Flex Volt, right? The 12-inch dual slide bevel Flex Volt, but let's see, let them come down in price. Build the deck or I do crown, I'll have the saw, right? But I'm gonna wall. What can I say? They have the weed whackers, the blowers, the whole shebang. I love it. That's why I'm sticking with Dewalt, and they're not expensive and they go on sale. Anyways, thanks for watching. Best tools ever. That I'm happy with them. You might not be, but they're affordable and they're good. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Like.